Hey friends, it's been a while, but welcome back to the channel. So in today's video, I'll be giving you tips and tricks on how to make a basement space feel luxurious and cozy. So I'll give you guys a tour of my basement space. This is what it looks like before, and this is what it looks like after, giving you that cozy, luxurious feel. So let's go ahead and get started. So here's my basement space. As soon as you come down the stairs, this is what you see. So the first tip is in creating a cozy basement space, you want to define your space. So defining the living room area, if you have a movie area, if you have an eating area, if you have another area that you want to create, define the space, because this basement space can feel very big and undefined. So here's my sitting area. Here's the movie chill spot. We have the dining room back there. So I'm going to get started with the living space. So I decided to go for a bold, bright, beautiful color because the basement space can feel very dingy and dark. We decided to go with the blue, the creams, the whites, and the grays. And my children love it. They're like, no, mommy, we do not want gray. We do not want cream. We want color. And that is exactly what we went for. And I used my favorite accent color. So my sofa is from Wayfair. The coffee table is from Best Choice Products. I will link everything for you in the description box. I love it because the kids can function here. They don't have to worry about messing anything up. And my area rug is from Well Woven Rugs. This is from my dining room that I had last year. So I moved it down here, and I love that all the colors just flow together. So the area rug also helps to define a space. So I have this area rug here, and then I have this TV stand. It's actually a buffet sideboard table, and I made it into my TV stand because I wanted something that could store a lot in, and my son actually uses this to store his gaming stuff, so we needed that storage. So the placement of the sofa, the coffee table, the area rug, and the credenza here really helps to define this area as the living room space. And right beside the credenza is this chair that my son uses for his video games. It is so comfortable, guys, and it's also from Best Choice Products. So in order to help a space feel more cozy, an area rug is essential. I would recommend an 8x10 or like a 9x12, something very big. This particular one is an 8x10. And again, this is from Well Woven Rugs. I will link it in the description box for you if they still have it available. This is so soft and it really goes well with the space. And then coming over here, we have this little lounge area. We call this like mommy and daddy spot. So when we're watching a movie, we like to just kick back and relax here. It reclines. It's also a massage chair. So this is so good. This is also from Best Choice Product. It comes with the remote. You can also heat it up. So this is so good for adults, but my kids love it too. And this little accent table is also from Best Choice Product. Above, I have 3 wall arts that are identical. So all 3 of them are the same. They all came from Home Goods. Again, it has that colors, the white, the blue, the gray. I love it. And then over here I have this little table that I got from Amazon because the kids love to hang out in the basement. So the basement is like our hangout area if we're not in the family room. And they tend to eat here a lot. So I got this little table. The accent chairs were in my dining room before. So that table came from Amazon. So they can sit here, eat, and clean up easily. And back there is where my son has his virtual learning. So that area is very functional for him. I used to have this stand in my formal living room space. So this is here now. And then I have this wall art that I got from Walmart. And back here is where I have like this little entryway area. I have a lamp that I got from Home Goods many years ago. And this console table used to be in my family room, but I moved it down here. And that mirror is from Burlington. And that bench is from TJ Maxx. I had it in my entryway before, and that is here now. And this accent chair used to be in my family room, and it is down here now. So that is it for my basement. It's not a big space, but it's a very functional space. There's actually more space in the back, but that area is not ready for you guys to see. My husband has a gym back there. He also has his office space back there, and there's a bathroom space back there. I hope this inspired you if you're looking to create like living spaces in your basement. It is definitely doable. Let me know if you guys would use like a bright color like this in your home. My kids love it. I love it. Hey, it's a win-win situation. So let me know what you guys think about this basement space. I would love to hear from you. Leave me a comment down below. So thank you so much for watching, guys, and I will catch you guys in the next video. Take care and God bless.